Hey everyone, welcome back to the How to Win at Teaching Online series of videos. For those of you who are watching this on Udemy, I have this special video for you guys because I want you to take 1 second to introduce yourself. I want you to introduce yourself to me so I can get to know you and who everyone is taking this class, but also I want you to introduce yourself to the other students. So please take a moment, post a discussion post on this lesson or just in the class itself, and include a little bit more information about yourself. So please include your name, where you're coming from. You don't have to be specific if you don't want to, just state or city or country even. And then just give us a little bit more information about your background. Where are you coming from? Are you working full time? Is this your first time trying to create an online course? Is this your first time creating your own online business or making money online? Do you have a website? Put your website in there so we can find out a little bit more information about yourself and start following you on your own channels. So I'm excited to meet you, and just like I did in the last video giving a little bit information about myself, I really am excited to get to know you guys a little bit better. So thank you so much. Please take just 30 seconds to do this. I would highly appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.